Good day, gentlemen. So I finally received my fence. So I installed it. All right. So you can see from that's the row, the fence in the back, and that's the fence in the front. It's pretty even. All right. It's tough to see, but so I did install it, and it's pretty, like you can tell, it's pretty straight. All right. So I did it also on this side too. So I cut it in 4 pieces and I install it. It's very well installed. And for the main entrance, it's basically what I've done is just I put a piece and I'm just gonna remove it for you guys. So I just have to remove it like that. So that's the main entry. I still have about from there to there, just so that from there to there, it's about 18 inches. So that's how I enter it. So it's a removable fence. So that's the update for the fence. Now this is the cucumber. It's cucumber is starting to grow. The carrots are doing well too. Oh, they all. I'm gonna show you that closer. You can see the row. That's the radish. All right. The pears are growing too. All right. Very small. This I don't remember. I have to ask Marie-Ange. I don't have the plants. What's the name? Sweet pepper. All right. These are the sweet peppers. Lettuce. Various type of lettuce are going fine, and the tomatoes. So that was my little update about my winter garden. So yeah, it's all fenced up now. And if I do more have intrusion, I will electrify my fence. All right, guys. Cheers, and ladies. All right, bye. Well, I was supposed to receive the vines last week, but they're still on the waiting period. So I'm supposed to receive it next week. So I will make a video. I'm gonna put 3 plants in there. Now for the strawberries for my garden. Well, I'm still waiting for them, so we'll search. You're gonna receive it soon. All right, cheers. Well, as you can tell, is I also fill up shelf for the firewood for the stove downstairs. And also what I've done also is I treat hydraulic oil all my outside wood, and so it's gonna dry like this for all summer until the next time it will be used. Well, as you can see, both of my woodshed are full. So hardwood and softwood woodshell are all good. So I'm really happy about it. So now the remaining of the summer, I have a little bit of firewood to do during the weekends for next winter. And I also have some of my neighbor asked me to cut, like to make a small path, walking path through the wood. So that's why will be cutting wood during the summer. All right, cheers.